Put your hand on the wall. Hand. Not hand. Hand. Here. This is also strong. Put your hand here. Spread your finger. See what I am doing. Press. Press. Now imagine, feel, believe, pretend that your hand is stuck to the wall. There is a super glue I am flowing here, your hand is stuck to the wall. Which part of your hand you feel more stuck? Here. See again, I am asking a question, which part of your hand is more stuck? Here. Spread all of your hand. When you really feel that you cannot remove your hand, try to remove your hand and you find it stuck tighter and tighter and tighter and tighter. I want to give you a gift. Pick up a mental block. Because of that you are not able to achieve success you want in your life. This mental block has gone into your hand and this is making you stuck here. Can you pick up something? No need to tell me, yes? Now I'm talking to your unconscious mind. To release this mental block as fast as you release the hand from here. As your hand releases, your unconscious mind release your mental block completely. Open your eyes, open your eyes. Now, look around and think about that mental block and notice how much good you feel. Looks like it's gone, eh? Feeling better, eh?